Hey guys, get ready for the useful insights and exam tips from an industry recognized trainer with more than 20 years experience to help you pass your upcoming CMFAS and CMFAS Module exams. You are listening to Khinloke from CMFAS-exam.com.sg. Why are there so many people not able to pass their Module 1B on their first attempt? The main reason for people who fail Module 1B is because they have underestimated Chapter 5. Chapter 5 is on anti-money laundering, and many of them they underestimated that.